only I had stayed home that night, then...
Don't worry, I'm gonna rescue Hanabi. I swear it.
Thank you, Naruto. You've always been very kind to me.
Well, I'm not being kind just because I'm in love with you or anything. I really am worried about Hanabi.
What did you say?
Huh?
What did you just say?
I said that I was worried about Hanabi.
No, I meant before that.
Before that, I said, I love you, Hinata.